Hello. Welcome back. Yeah. Okay. So, updates. There's no Lamborghini in my garage. But check it out. So that Lamborghini, we've seen it before. That's my little boy who went to the Lamborghini place April 2019. And I liked the car. And that was so funny that they had it for sale. I didn't buy the car. They were going to give me a deal on it. It was too steep. I'm not ready for that. I still have a broken black Porsche in my garage, which would have, the plan is for that to be the down payment. But dude, that's some crazy money. I would have to sell both Porsches to be able to pay for that Lamborghini, and I didn't have my fun yet, so timing isn't right. We'll see what happens. Now this box here is supposed to have the stuff in it to fix the black Porsche. $27 part, $14 shipping and handling, plus a few bucks tax. I don't know why they send me wine vouchers. That doesn't work in Hawaii. Ah, the O-rings. Hopefully they are the right size. Remember we went through the O-ring issue before? Ah! And the part that is causing me to not have fun for over 2 weeks. So, look at that sucker. Double male, double female. The female side has the male aluminum or tin things that socket in here. Oh, it comes with new clips. Jeez. Oh, they're locking in there, but I'm super excited. So we'll go to the garage and we'll do that. My name is Matthew. Welcome to the channel, and maybe you'll learn something, maybe you won't. At least you'll be entertained for a moment. I'm gonna drink this chocolate milky caffeine coffee drink that's explicitly from Hawaii to get caffeinated, and then I'll be energized to hopefully do this correctly and quickly, because I'd love to drive the car before it gets dark. It is 4 o'clock on a Friday. It is muggy and hot outside, and I don't have a climate controlled garage, or home for that matter. Oh, this is good. Let's do it. Okay, let me get comfortable here. Yes, I'm wearing slippers. And let's start with this doesn't look right at all. Oh, mother. Alright, so now what do? Do I risk it? Or do I wait 2 more weeks? Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna risk it. Well, let's see if we can't. So, magic eraser. We're gonna clean. And this magic eraser is magic. Clean, 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 clean. Okay, well that looks good. So, cheat. Dish soap around the fitting. We're just going to call this lube. We're not going to use lube because I think petroleum products are bad for these little rubber rings. Yeah, this was not fun. But at least it's kind of made in a way that you can't do wrong because they cross paths. Bottom tube and upper tube are different sizes. Same with different sizes here, different sizes here. Goofy, because it should just be one size and universal and shouldn't have to cross paths, but it is Germanly engineered, I don't know. Finally making some progress. Got the new coupler in correctly. Part of this bracket in place. Need to still permanently fix this. Got the lower bracket for the radiator mount in. That's what that is. And that's what that is. So that ain't going anywhere. That's now solid. There's a little strut piece that goes back in there. So now I just need to put the condenser in correctly, which is really just like squeeze it into place. That's easy. Now I just find the screw that goes here. Too many days went by. I don't know where I put every screw. That's crappy. But I know what kind of screw it was. If you line it up just right, it just pops in right, just right. So, not sure if I'm doing it right. Let's push it back. Oh, I think that's it. See? It's not supposed to be that hard. Every time I do it, there's more dirt. All right, so one piece, cars in one piece, bunch of coolant. We're gonna fill it up with coolant. I have no idea how much it'll take, how much spilled out, but I did drive it home from wherever I puked out, so. Yep, it runs again. I know, I'm super excited. Sun's not down yet. It took me 3 hours. It's not leaking anything yet, so I'll let it run for another minute, add some more coolant, take it for a drive, add some more coolant. Look at this. Are we about to roll through there? Milestone. Just put the car back together, putting it through a little run. It's late at night, and the odometer is going to roll past 133,000 miles. How crazy is that? Woohoo! Celebration! And she still runs really good. Going quick. Oh, that was awesome. The caffeine from the coffee drink kept me up late, so I was motivated to go for a late drive. This is out in front of the Hilton, where I used to work for years, in Hawaii Theater, and car drove great. It only took 2 gallons of coolant, so all is good. Until next time.